Another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying that this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So now that that's out the way, for those that don't know me and don't know anything about this channel, on this channel, we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, personal and business credit. So in further news, I'm asking that you subscribe to my channel as we release anywhere from 4 to 5 videos a week. Without further ado, we want to talk about Lordstown Motors. Now, Lordstown Motors is trying to get their footing in the game, just like Rivian, Lucid, and of course, the big dog in the market, Tesla. So we're going to speak about some news of Rivian, some of the steps they're trying to take to help advance their footing in the EV market. Lordstown Motors appoints Hightower as new president. Electric vehicle manufacturer Lordstown Motors Corp announced Tuesday it has appointed auto industry veteran Elwood T. Hightower as its new president, replacing Richard Smith in the role. Hightower duties begin November 29th, the company said. In a regulatory filing, Lordstown Motors said it will be paid an annual salary of $625,000 and an annual bonus with a target equal to 100% of its annual salary based on performance evaluations. He has 30 years of experience serving in product development, engineering, manufacturing, commercial, and senior executive roles at Ford Motor Corp, BMW, and General Motors. He led GM's $15 billion global crossovers business as the executive chief engineer and vehicle line executive. At BMW, he helped drive 5 Series sales, market share, profitability in the U.S. to record levels according to the announcement. Hightower currently serves as managing director of Motoring Ventures LLC and has been advising Lordstown in a consulting capacity. Smith, who helped Tesla launch its SX and 3 models, joined Lordstown Motors in 2019 as its chief production officer under former CEO Steve Burns and was appointed president in 2020. Burns resigned in 2021 after internal investigation found that executives had exaggerated pre-orders of the Endurance pickup, which is in the pre-production stage at Lordstown's plant here. Also today, the company announced that Shay Burns has been appointed Senior Vice President Operations. In this role, Burns will continue to support efforts to launch the Endurance as well as the implementation of an agreement of principle with Han Hai Precision Industries or Foxconn as a consultant. All right, Burns has over 25 years of experience in the automotive industry, including having previously served as a vehicle launch leader at Ford and senior director and quality and director of engineering operations at Meteor. He also led numerous launches while at Ford. These latest executive appointments are designed to focus company resources on its key near-term objectives, bringing the Endurance pickup truck to market, developing a strategic partnership with Han Hai Precision Industries or Foxconn, strengthening its engineering capabilities for future vehicle development. In September, Foxconn and Lordstown Motors announced an agreement in principle that calls for Foxconn to purchase Lordstown Motors plant for $230 million and act as a contract manufacturer for the company's first product, the all-electric Endurance pickup. I'm excited to welcome Elwood Hightower and Shay Burns to these leadership roles with the Lordstown team as we move into the next critical phase, said Lordstown CEO Dan Nanivagi in his prepared statement. They both bring deep automotive experience with strong backgrounds in engineering, new product development, manufacturing, and launch readiness. These skill sets are especially important as we not only pursue the launch of the Endurance, but also as we also pursue future vehicle development opportunities with Foxconn. It is also to thank Rick Smith with the contributions to Lordstown Motors. So that's what's going on with Lordstown. They're making some moves. According to the stock ticker, as of today, they're down. They're at $5.68, down 0.18%. But if you look at here, the opening high was the opening high was $5.70. The opening low was $5.47. But I want you to look right here. And the 52-week high was $31.57. My motto is, just like a lot of people with more money than me, is to buy on the dip. As you see, they are at $5.63. They will get back to this mark. So in my mind is, I'm saying buy this stock whole. At least buy you 20 shares, you know what I'm saying, and hold those 20 shares. If those 20 shares shoot back up to where they can get back to, then that's what you want to do. So I want the stock to drop down to $4 personally, but that means that I can buy more shares because I want to be in it for the long run. I don't want to pump and dump this one, as they say. I want to be in it for the long run. So this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as we'll be coming to you with more videos just like this in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.